Hello everyone. I'm Nam. And following up on the previous video, we will now move on to the section where I guide you on how to use the management and automatic posting software. Here, this is one of my tools. This tool will help me manage my Facebook accounts here and carry out tasks according to what I want. Each account is equivalent to one of my staff members. For example, every day I have to spend money to hire staff to post content, search for customers, add friends, and send messages, no, or increase engagement. But now, with just this one tool, you can basically have hundreds of virtual staff channels and assign them to work as you wish every day. So here, the tool offers a lot of features. And in this video, I will guide you through the feature of automatic posting. To be able to post automatically, you can click on the posting function, and choose where you want to post. Post to groups, post to personal pages, to post to real profiles. And there's also a posting history section here that will display the links for you once the software has finished running. For example, if you want to post to groups, just click on the post to groups option. Here we will start configuring and setting up the content. For example, here there will be an additional step, which is the content selection section. In this content section, you should select your content in advance. So, in this content section, you go to the content management area and you can add your content here. For instance, in add a post, when adding a post, I'll select the category as post one, for example. Type of post, comment or message. This post is for seeding, sharing, just a regular post. What is the title of the post? As for the title of the article, well, I'll just say it's about cosmetic. There. Here, you can put the content in. So I'll just enter some random content here. So I'll use a sample content generated by ChatGPT. Here I'll have it right. And advertising content and Facebook ad content. As you can see, it will generate some content for me. So I'll just pick one of these. Paste it in here. Let me just adjust it a bit to make it look nicer. Now I'll add an image here, upload an image or a video. I'll just grab a random image from the internet for you guys to test. Wear sunscreen. Here I'll pick this category. This one's a bit blurry, so I'll choose a clearer image. I'll go ahead and save it now. There, select the account that you want to use. Here. And here, you can view your content here, see what the instructions are, and for example, post them in order, how many images there are and what the random characters are. I'll add some random characters here. Let's call it $smile. So when you set up a mechanism here specifically for spam survival, whenever you enter these characters, each post will generate a different random character for you, ensuring that all the content is not the same. In addition, you can put a lot of content here. Use ChatGPT to write various pieces and add them here so the software can help us post random content, ensuring that no two posts are the same. So let's create a new one here. I already have a post about cosmetics here. And then we'll move on to the feature for posting to groups. And here we will set up some parameters. As for these parameters, when use the software, our team will provide hands-on guidance and help you set up each of these settings. So you don't need to worry about this part. For those of you who don't use computers much or aren't very tech savvy, this tool is actually very simple and our team will provide hands-on support until you know how to use it. So here, I'll set up, for example, where to get the content from. For instance, if I choose this content, I'll tick the content that I just downloaded or just added, then save it. You can also choose whether to allow duplicate content between accounts or not. This is entirely up to you. Here you can choose which groups to post to. Again, by group ID. These are the groups that you just scanned. So you can set how many groups each account will post to, like 2 groups per account or just 1 group, and how many posts to make. You'll copy and paste the UIDs that you just scanned earlier. Oh, those are the group UIDs related to cosmetics. And after I've filtered out the quality groups, I'll proceed to post in them. And here, there are options like automatically joining groups. If you haven't joined them yet, not posting to the same group more than once, how to interact after posting, posting anonymously, or commenting on the post after it's been successfully published. So it offers these setups for you guys to help your post get more engagement so that with more interaction, your post can be pushed to the top of the group. That's it. Or you can even tag everyone after posting, which is a pretty cool option so that everyone can receive a notification. So once you've finished setting everything up, the next step is just to select the accounts you want to post from and hit start. Then the tool will automatically run and post for you. So here, the software tool will operate automatically and it will display a notification here, which we can test out in a bit. For example, it will show statuses like waiting to join a group, waiting to upload, and so on.